Today, we'll take you to the sourcing factory and show you the entire production process of our customers' wood pellets. Now, let's take a live look at the pellet mill's worksite. Multiple ring die pellet mills are used. Optional high-efficiency permanent magnet direct drive motor. The wood chips are quickly pressed, pelleting smoothly, and the output is stable without clogging. Integrated fully automatic feeding and conveying system. Special gearbox with parallel hardened tooth surfaces. High-efficiency screening and cleaning system to remove debris and dust. From raw material feeding to finished product storage and dust removal, the entire process is automated and closed-loop, operating stably and enabling long-term large-scale mass production. Finally, let's take a look at the actual finished product output at the customer's site. We offer complete production line solutions and welcome inquiries and collaborations from global clients.